of kinetic and limiting friction are given, and you apply a time dependent force on the block, then you need to find the time when block starts slipping on the ground. Let's name that as T naught. So let's analyze that how the mind and brain act as a system to solve this question. So fundamentally you must have realized that there is brain, there is mind, but there is something other, which is the consciousness. Because the mind is controlled by the consciousness. There is something inside you, you are conscious, so you are able to control your mind, to give it certain instruction, and mind then control the brain and carry out certain operations. So when you start working on this problem, the first thing is your focus or your consciousness has to be on the question itself, and that is done by focusing mind on this particular thing, on this particular question. Now if we think deeply, then if we analyze this, start working on this, then we can say that the block will start moving if force F is greater than the limiting friction, the first point. Then limiting friction is mu limiting into N, and normal reaction here is mg. So combining all these three classified information, we can conclude that force is greater than mu limiting into mg. So the minimum force required is mu limiting into mg here. Now fourth step is F is equal to t plus 6. So for minimum time we use minimum value of force, which is t plus 6 is mu limiting into mg. After substituting the values, we get time as 94 seconds, or t naught as 94 seconds. So you see, when you start from here and you move till here,